Are you looking for simplified ways to grow your business? Do you struggle with knowing where to focus your energy for the best return? Or are you loving your business success and looking for ways to stay ahead of the pack? Just for inspiration and innovative techniques. If you've answered yes to any of these, keep listening, my friend. Hi, I'm Ameeta from Holistic Vision. As a business owner, I do understand that we wear multiple hats, sometimes all at the same time. Occasionally, this leads to feelings of overwhelm and stress, of being reactive instead of proactive. But when you're equipped with the right business strategies, marketing insights, and mindset, it leads to a sense of accomplishment. It also ensures that your confidence in your skills grows. Plus, there's real power in the fact that you are creating a lifestyle that you love whilst going out there and helping others. So, if you're ready, tune in every Wednesday by hitting that subscribe button right now. Don't forget to like and share this podcast with 2 to 3 friends in your network who could really get value from the information that we share. This week, we're talking about the 5 LinkedIn marketing secrets that will grow your business. Are you ready? It's a topic that has come up with multiple clients recently, so I thought that I'd dive right in. But before we get into breaking down those secrets, what I wanted to do was just a quick little recap on what LinkedIn is. Some people out there may not be as familiar with LinkedIn as they are with some of the other social media platforms. So let's just do a quick recap. LinkedIn is a professional networking platform. It is a place where you can really connect with people you know and meet new people at the same time who can really help to advance your career, your business, support you in collaborative opportunities as well. Did you know that LinkedIn has over 830 million members worldwide? That's huge. It's such a potential for customers, collaborative partners, like I just mentioned, and even employees. And we'll get into that in a little bit. So now that you're clear on what this platform is, let's just take a moment and think about who is this platform really going to benefit? And I like to frame it like this. It is a place to build professional and collaborative relationships. It's great for a range of professions and positions, from being business owners, entrepreneurs, job seekers, salespeople, recruiters, marketing professionals, and even students. It's a great place to come together in a professional manner. But as always, and you always hear me say this, if you're wanting it to form part of your marketing mix, then you do need to do your homework first. What do I mean by this? Well, it does start with conducting that research with who your ideal client is and what they want. You need to dig deep. Start thinking about, well, how do they use this platform when they're on it? How do they look for people to follow? What are they looking for? What are they subscribing to? Why are they choosing those people? Why are they reading those articles? For example, if you're a nutritionist and your ideal clients are children with gut health issues, then it's the parents that you're wanting to do this research with. Are they looking for experts on LinkedIn that can help with their child's health? Are they researching articles on LinkedIn? Are they subscribing to newsletters or following the trends. What hashtags are they using? It's really important when you're getting ready with your marketing strategy that you do the homework with that audience that you want to capture, because you need to understand, well, is this platform going to work for you? Is it something that you can tailor to fit into your bigger marketing strategy? So if you feel that you need help with identifying your audience, then I've got a free resource for you which will help you to get started fast. Download the resource. It's called the 7 Questions to Clarify Who You Want to Work With. Simply just head to the website holisticvision.com.au and you'll see it there to download. You will be amazed at how simple it can make your marketing when you know these questions. As always, make sure that each social media platform fits into your strategy and it is well thought out. Posting content on the fly on any platform is not only going to add stress to you, but it also means that you're not seeing if that piece fits into the puzzle. You're going to end up with a puzzle which has pieces from 5-10 different puzzles, which is never going to give you that full, beautiful picture that you're looking for. And it means that you are going to continuously feel overwhelmed. You're going to be struggling to grow your audience and find people that want to engage with you. So don't be that person. Take the time to plan, because it's with the planning that you're going to feel more at ease with your marketing. You're going to see how that fits into your bigger vision that you have for your business. It's also with the planning that you're going to be able to track real results. So, as a business owner, you might be thinking, well, why do I need to really be on here? And it's a good question, because I've had this question from a few of my clients as well. And every platform isn't for every person. So it's really important. And I want to just share a few of the top tips of how it can benefit your business. And this is the little secrets. It can really help to generate those leads and sales, because you can connect in with potential clients, collaborative opportunities. You can use LinkedIn to search for people who match your target demographics. And then you can start communicating with them, sending them a personal message. I'm going to put a note in here. The key is not to be salesy and pushy. Be professional, attentive, be open to sharing your knowledge, and the sale will naturally follow. Build relationships with other businesses. It's a great platform to really build relationships. I have formed great alliances which have given me the greatest opportunities with collaboration over the years. It really helps to complement my business, and I help to complement theirs too. So think about how and who you want to connect in. You can also start connecting in with suppliers, find new suppliers for products or services, look at partners that you could do joint ventures with, and get a real sense of who these businesses are, who these people are, before contacting them. I also find that it's a great place to get quick bites of the latest industry trends and news that you can then also utilize as part of your strategy. Establish yourself as the expert. That's number 3. LinkedIn is really a great platform to share your expertise in the form of thought leadership. You can write articles, you can post updates about what's happening in your business, new products, new services. You can participate in groups and share your knowledge with others. And again, that's a great opportunity for them to start seeing you as the expert, so that when they need your service or they know of somebody that needs it, you're the person that comes to mind. I recently went onto a LinkedIn profile of a very prominent business coach who talks all about digital marketing and sales. But when I saw her profile, I noticed that she hadn't updated it in over a year. Now, look, there may be many reasons for this, but I wanted to just use this as a way to highlight the importance of making sure that if you start with LinkedIn, that it fits into your marketing strategy. So think about that, having that clear plan mapped out, and it's important to stick to it as much as possible. What do I mean by that? Consistency. You know that I talk about this all the time. It's really important. Even when you think that nobody is watching, they are. You showing up consistently adds to building your credibility, and also, not to mention that the algorithms really love it. Are you looking to expand your business and bring in some new staff members? Then LinkedIn can be a really great place to start with looking for the right person that is going to fit into your business, who aligns with your values and the culture within your business. You can search for people on there based on what their careers are. You can also post your position on there as well. And you'll be amazed at the quality of responses that you get from people. Do your research before interviewing. It's a great place to look at what people are doing, what they're sharing, how they're interacting. And that can really help to give you a great base for that interview. And next, I wanted to just briefly discuss how you can use LinkedIn effectively so that it doesn't feel overwhelming or stressful, because that's really important. We're looking to streamline, automate, and make things feel easier in our business, right? Hands up if you agree with me. So it starts here. Number one, get onto LinkedIn and check that you have created a strong profile. If you're not on LinkedIn yet, then create that profile now. Your profile is going to be the first impression, and first impressions last. So make sure that it's well written, informative, clear, and concise in what you're saying. And you're also using relevant keywords and also relevant hashtags you can put there as well. Be active on the platform. So it really is important, as I said, with the algorithm, that if you're choosing this platform to be on as part of your bigger marketing strategy, then be active on the platform. Don't just post something and then not appear there or not engage with other people for months on end. Use it to connect with people. Find some great connections. Start some conversations. Send those requests to people. And you never know what's going to come from those relationships. Remember that you can start searching based on your target demographic as well. LinkedIn really can be a powerful tool if it's used right, and it can really help to generate leads and sales, build those relationships within your business, and also showcase you as the expert in your field. So are you ready to use LinkedIn? Pop your answer in the podcast quiz down below in the show notes and let me know, or make a comment wherever you're listening to this. Let me know. I'd love to know how you're going to be using LinkedIn. And remember, if you need help with your target audience and just getting clarification, then download that free resource at holisticvision.com.au. Until next week, don't forget to subscribe to the channel wherever you get your podcasts so that you don't miss out on any of these episodes. Remember, If you've got 2 to 3 friends or colleagues that could benefit from this podcast, please do share it with them, because it's in sharing that we can help more people just like you. Until next week, Wednesday, my friends, happy marketing.